We have tea. We have a fairy. We have paint. We have journals. And of course, we have stitching. Welcome to Helen Kitty Cat Crafts. Hello guys, and thank you for joining me. Great to see you as always. I hope you've all had a great week. Today I'm working in my nature journal again. So today was such a strange weather day. It was very windy and not very bright, but yet it was still quite warm. Bert and Ernie the pigeons were here at 4 a.m, as they are every day, ready to see whether breakfast was ready. I'd filled the bird feeders up yesterday evening in preparation. 2 seed feeders, 1 suet block feeder and 3 fat ball feeders. The blue tits and the great tits and the chaffinch all love the suet. In fact, the great tit sat on the feeder, on the tree, right outside my bedroom window, which is what I'm painting today, because it allowed me to watch him and get such a good view. What a great way to start my day, having coffee with him. My tortoise is so happy. The dandelions have finally started to spring up altogether, and those are his favourite food. So I am still loving watching the birds. It still gives me a thrill, a smile and a little giggle to watch them when they come. Bert and Ernie never miss a day. They are so funny. And the little blue tits and the great tits, oh, they are so quirky. But they're actually surprisingly aggressive towards each other. They stop fighting when they're eating, but as soon as they've eaten, oh, they become territorial again. Cheeky. You know, they're so cheeky that the blue tit came and knocked on my window the other day, just as a reminder that the bird feeder was empty. How's that for cheek? My daughter's actually bought me some bird rubber stamps to go start a bird journal, and I was hoping to get around to it today, but I didn't. But by the time you watch this video, I may have. I'm hoping to get it done over the weekend. Today is a Thursday. They're quite cool. I can't wait to try them out. Gosh, I forgot what I was going to say now. No, it's gone. Oh dear. Anyway, I hope you've all had a great week. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of music and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for popping by. And please do come back again soon. Make sure you have a good day now. And be kind to yourself. Until next time, take care. Goodbye.